So when you work in the dirty pot, you tend to find, even if you wear gloves for some of the process, that your hands get quite stained. And one of my workshop participants, who was a dentist, told me one day that lemon juice is fantastic for getting rid of stains, because I was actually surprised that she didn't have a problem getting her hands dirty, and she just said she uses lemon juice all the time. So I'm going to do a little bit of a demonstration here, and I like to just rub my hands really well with the juice. And sometimes if underneath my nails are very dirty, I will rub under the nails with the rind. And then I'll get some nice soap. This is a nice handmade soap full of oil and hot water. And sometimes it takes 1 or 2 goes of doing that with the lemon juice. But I think you can already see, particularly if I dry my hand, that almost all that staining has gone. So I really just need to work on the knuckles on the front and under my nails a little bit. But lemon juice is absolutely amazing for getting rid of any stains when you are eco-printing and you are not wearing gloves. So I'm just going to give my knuckles a go under the nails, and that's me done for the evening.